Hello everyone, I am Zisham and welcome to the technology channel. Today I am going to show you how to easily fix the Windows update stuck at checking for updates. You have just newly installed Windows 8.1, but when you go for checking updates, it does not work. It's stuck at checking for updates. There are many solutions to this problem, like restarting your computer, checking the date and time of your computer by trying the disk cleanup, and by running the SFC scan now command. But now here today I am going to show you the most effective and most easy way to solve the Windows update stuck at checking for updates. Okay, the solution is restarting the Windows update service. When you restart the Windows update service, this will solve your stuck at checking for updates. Okay, to restart the Windows update service, go to the Windows Task Manager and into the Task Manager go to the Services tab. Into the Services tab, select Open Services. By clicking on the Open Services, there are all the list of all the services that are running in your computer, but you have to find here Windows Update Service. Okay, it is at the end, the Windows Update Service. Right click and restart the service. This will automatically stop and start the service. And after restarting the service, go to the Windows Update setting and check for updates. This will solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video, and